I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Today I am going to make you a very simple yet delicious dish. It is called shrimp with bok choy with some quail eggs. So let's start cooking. Yeah. First, we're gonna use 4 ounces of butter. Put your skillet in medium-high heat. It's dancing. After melting our butter, we're going to add a few smoosh of garlic. I want to use it a flavoring also. Add 6 ounces of julienne cooked red onions. And we're gonna add, this is a whole tomato, fresh tomatoes that's cut and chopped. And for our flavoring, we are going to use half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, my favorite, and also half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And some of chili oil flakes, one of my favorite. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is looking very good already. 2 ounces of white wine. But if you do not have white wine, you can do beer. Use beer. Make sure it's 2 ounces though. They taste the same. Carrots. I love adding carrots for flavoring also and for the smell. For now, we're gonna let this set for 7 minutes, and later on, we're gonna add our beef stock. At this point, time to add our 2 cups of beef stock. We're gonna wait for 2 minutes till it gets to its boiling point, and we're going to add the shrimp and the bok choy. Yes, we are. Time to add our prawns here. Now this is a pound of shrimp. You guys could add 2 pounds. It's okay, still going to be good. We're going to add next our bok choy because I want this two to be cooked together. If you're not familiar to bok choy, you can also use spinach if you would like. If you want your bok choy not to be overcooked, then add it on after cooking the shrimp for 5 minutes, then add your bok choy. So after mixing this, I'm gonna let this be cooked for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna add the quail eggs. Quail eggs time. Let's put this into our skillet. Look at this. See, the reason I'm adding the quail eggs last because this quail eggs already has been cooked. I'm gonna add some cut green onions. Now, let's cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes. Again, please share this to your families and your loved ones. It didn't even took us that long to cook this. It's going to be so good for your family. And I want to say thank you again for watching my YouTube channel here, Cooking It with Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. I will see you guys again, yeah? Enjoy! One fell. Not good enough. Today I am going to make you a simple nana, and we are ready.